9 forecast.
Some more thunderstorms will form. That is the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center. Happy weekend to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. As we go into the second half of the day and into this evening, the atmosphere will begin to percolate and some more storms will begin to form, and some localized severe weather cannot be ruled out like what we had last evening. We could definitely use that rainfall. We've only had some scattered, isolated downpours over the Shenandoah Valley, where you are in severe drought, by the way. Donna Sherwood got this snapshot of a lone little downpour in the distance, but notice the grass. It's quite brown and crispy because of the very dry conditions. So hold off on mowing that lawn until after we get some beneficial rainfall. We are in severe drought from portions of Augusta into Rockingham County, including the city of Harrisonburg, into portions of Greene and into Madison counties, but at least half the area is in drought. You can get the latest drought update anytime on the Storm Team 29 weather app. In that first forecast for your Saturday, temperatures rising through the 70s and 80s, but hey, look at this. No 90-degree heat. So the heat wave that lasted for 6 days for Charlottesville has now ended. Heat busting cold front over the area will basically stall out and give us a few more chances for showers and downpours, but temperatures still a little bit above average for this time of the year. The best chance for a shower and storm will be at the end of the day. So that would be good news for those of you heading out to Scott Stadium for the JMU and UVA game. Warm and humid at midday, 80 degrees, partly sunny, a scattered storm risk by the end of the game especially, so keep checking the radar on the Storm Team 29 weather app. Radar recap shows a cluster of storms late last evening pushing their way up from Southside Virginia, moving across most of the area. We had some reports of severe weather, some downed trees from portions of Buckingham into Fluvanna, Louisa, and Albemarle counties. Some of you picked up more than an inch of rain, while others, well, just enough to dampen the ground. But wow, we all saw some lightning. I know it woke me up last evening. Look at this purple lightning strikes across the sky there in Hollymead into areas north of Charlottesville. Thanks to Yuki Johnson for that snapshot. You know, purple lightning is the hottest, 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And with those temperatures moving across the atmosphere, it causes a sound, which we call thunder. All right, now the big picture is showing radar is completely quiet for now, but it will not stay that way all weekend. By the end of the day and tonight, with that southerly wind flow, a couple of storms will form. Isolated severe weather is possible. Any thunderstorm that forms may produce some localized damaging wind gusts, even some small hail as we head into the second half of the day and into the early evening hours. Major Hurricane Lee, it'll bypass Puerto Rico tomorrow. It'll get close to Bermuda, but stay off the east coast, but produce quite a bit of waves and rip currents at the beaches into next week. Forecast today, a scattered shower and storm, highs in the 80s for tonight, an evening shower and storm, mid 60s to lower 70s. On Sunday, we're back in the upper 70s, low 80s, with clouds, hazy breaks of sun, a shower, and a thunderstorm around. Here's your 7-day forecast. Back to work and school on Monday and Tuesday in the low to mid 80s. Stray rain chance, mostly dry though. Next cold front arrives on Wednesday with a few showers. Cooler Thursday, Friday, highs barely 80. And how about lows in the 50s, if not the 40s?
Well, thank you so much, Josh. Let's hope that weather holds out for the football game today.
Yeah, when thunder roars, though, head indoors and
Yes.
watch the radar on the Storm Team 29 weather app.
Well, thank you so